Hello everyone, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody is doing good. And today I'm going to do a reading called What is the Message from Your Twin Flame? Genders don't matter here. It's like anybody watching this video, you are getting the answers from your twin flame, the high self, whatever you call like. So these are the messages what your twin flame wants to convey to you. Uh, so going forward, I mean, yeah. So this is your first card, projection. So if you see this card has kind of like you can say dual personalities in oneself. So this card always gives me the notion like don't look something outside of yourself on this journey. Look something what's within, like what's inner changing, what is changing inside you. However, like how much ever we try to figure out what's going outside, what's what is happening outside, even if I'm doing everything, but that's something we call it as control, that we are trying to control. No, we don't need to control this journey, and we don't need to project onto that. Okay, there's this is the outcome what I'm resulting for. No, just this journey basically only calls you to go within, and the more you try to go within yourself, you will try to uh, acquire, and you will try to project that in your reality. So this is a very interesting card, the first card of the reading, and yes, it gives us the sorry it gives us the exact message what it is like. Don't look outside of yourself, look within what's happening, like keep keep healing your upsets, keep doing the inner work, keep even if it is repeated, doesn't matter, because some ways that will come into your reality, and once it's completely healed, you can see the difference, so yeah, this is your first card reading. Let's go on to the second one. So this is a card called postponement. Now, again, very connected to the card what we picked up. Uh, so what we do on this journey is we try to project, as I said in the earlier, that we try to project, and we forget that we don't have a control over any of the projections we are holding, and right now in this situation, you would be feeling that I am very much confused, very much tied up. But if you look at the bigger picture, this lady who is into this black and white era, but then if she wants to try to look outside of the window, there is hope, there is love, there is everything which is waiting outside for you. Like, I'm not saying to go outside. I'm trying to make you. I'm trying to make the point here that if you remove those gray areas in your life, like you try to remove those all the belief systems, all the negative belief systems, and work on those. There's a beautiful world, what we call is heaven on earth, which is uh, always waiting for us, and you are worth it. Everybody is worth it on this in this world. Like, basically, you are worth all the love, all the abundance in your life. So the message what this card gives me, that of course the name of the card is also called the postponement. So how much ever however you are postponing, by not healing or by controlling, the message here is, it won't take you any, like, it won't take you too far if you try to control on this journey, or try not working on this. I have tried that. To be very honest, I have tried that, but then at a given point in time, I surrendered myself. Yeah, and surrendering is the key uh, on this twin flame journey. And believe me, it's beautiful. And this message is definitely giving you um, that that there is a hope. There is love. There is a beautiful future ahead, and yeah, you don't need to be in this low vibration. Rise above this, come into that vibration wherein you can meet your twin flame. uh, so yeah, it's a very beautiful card again. Wow, again a very much uh, basically this is something, it gives you an overall energy that your twin flame looks you like this, he, because it's a message, so he sees you full of abundance, and you are abundant. Everybody is abundant. uh, you just have to believe that you're abundant, and you have to uh, you are a child of God, and how can you not be abundant when God is so abundant? So the message here is, after like all that, you call it hardship, whatever, but then for me it is a healing process. So this is a process, and this is how you will dwell, you know so ultimately this is what you're going to be, full of abundance, full of love, full of everything, like God's love. You see this lady sitting on a lotus, which is very beautiful. Like uh, the message is like, you are abundant, you are loving, you are amazing. So yeah, it's and honestly, uh, your twin flame coming in your life is only to give you this abundance in life. And or tell me how would you love yourself, how would you take care of yourself? I believe that a twin flame only comes because he loves you so much, and he wants you to be abundant in every area of life, so that's how he's doing, that's how he's helping you, that's how he's loving you actually. And this is the most um, uh, truth and innocent love what a twin flame can give it to you, even if it is not in words, even if it is not something, the person is not talking, the person is not communicating or telling you something, but then uh, the way this journey goes, the way this journey begins, and then when you are started, when you start surrendering on this, and when you start really working on yourself, you can actually feel that how much love he has, or she has for you. So it's a beautiful journey. uh, I'm called to take one more card, so I'll just pick up one more. Oh, again, so cute. Trust. So this is what the divine is telling you, to trust on this process, trust on this journey. It's a beautiful one, and all you have to do, this is like, for me, this surrender, that all you have to do is that surrender yourself to the trust you have in divine, and he will do it on the perfect order, in the perfect divine order. So you don't need to push, you don't need to really work hard and get to a place that, okay, I want in 1 year I want to be here. No, this is not that. This is not kind of a soulmate relationship, this is a twin flame. Until you have been really doing and working on yourself, you will see the results, and control, no control. You can release all the control you have on your twin flame journey, and just trust this process, trust the divine, and trust the mirror exercise, the inner work. Trust Jeffen Shilia's teaching, it's beautiful. My personal experience is it that whenever, and I think everybody is, because we are all one at consciousness, and everybody who is on this journey will get their answers when you watch one of the videos or any of the videos of Jeff and Sheila. And I sometimes it feels like, oh, how do they have all the answers? But it is true. The teaching is massively fruitful on this journey. uh, that's the only fast track where you can be in union, and you can be in harmonious union with your twin flame. Yeah. And yeah, it's a lovely reading. I have one more deck which is called the Everyday Miracles, which is from the Course of Miracle. And we will pick one card which gives us the message from the divine, and what exactly, just a message. So I love this deck. It's beautifully written, beautifully done, because of course it's from the Course of Miracle. It has to be beautiful. Let's I'll just take one card. The card says, forgiveness offers everything I want. Yeah. And the message on the card is, each lily of forgiveness offers all the world the silent miracle of love. So it's God's message, so it's divine's message. And I believe we are nobody to hold grudge on any situation, any of the person, because God doesn't do that, and He is a very forgiving God. And we, like, if such a massive entity can do that, He can forgive, or He can love perfectly, so we can. So perfect it is, like, forgiveness offers everything I want. So this is a beautiful card again. And yeah, this is a beautiful reading. I hope you enjoyed this reading. I keep making videos. Sorry, it gets a little time for me, but then I'll make sure I keep posting my videos. I've put links for my website. Currently, anybody who's joining the open forum, we offer 50% introductory sessions. Any of the coaches who are into Ascension Coach, they offer 50% introductory. So you can avail those service. Join the community. It's the best place to be in, and honestly, this is the most fast track. And it's a very loving community, very supportive. And I think that's everybody who needs on this journey. Everything what you want is there in this community, and you will be loved, you will be supported. Believe me for this. Wonderful people out here. It's like a home to me. It's like a family, it's really beautiful place. So see you in the next video. Till then, keep enjoying the videos. Bye. Take care.